Hey guys, it's Miss Petty, and I'm here to show you guys on how to clean up your MacBook desktop because mine is in need of it. It's cluttered to the maximum, and my space is running low. I only have like 100 gigabytes left out of 256. So let's manage here. I got here from the Apple about this Mac. That's how I got to these two screens. This is from the Manage tab. I have so many documents and so many applications that take up so much space. So I need to go ahead and get rid of, delete, and clean up all of these downloads and things I've just accumulated over the years of having this MacBook. These other ones I'm not worried about. My photos is compressed. And the other one is the OS. I can't do anything about that, but it takes up so much since my MacBook is like 7 years old. So mine is already organized by stacks, which I like it that way because it's helped me so much and not keeping so much clutter to the eye. I love this new feature that Apple did. So let's get started. I am creating a new folder so that I can have 3 main folders where it's about me. Look at that lovely girl. And my business as well as YouTube. So here we're doing the first folder by putting my picture on there, and I keep my file folders parallel with each other to help me kind of see it better and to help me drag and drop. So all you got to do is drag and drop over the blue folder the picture you want as your main icon folder, and this will help it give it like a new style look rather than having that blue jazz folder that's standard Apple. And I'm going to do this for the rest of the 2 folders. Well, the rest of the 3 folders. I already did 1, so I got 2 left. And then we're going to go into cleaning up my desktop. So I'm really going to fast forward through all of this so that you guys can view and look and see how I do it. It's really non-explanatory. So keep watching as we go through and style my desktop background. See you guys in a bit. this is my finished background and I am obsessed. It is a whole new look and a whole new style, and it is clean and not cluttered. If you guys have any questions about what I did, or if you guys want to see any other tips and tricks I got for my MacBook, write in the comments, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.